Bogies, officially called coach of trains, have always felt amazing to us as kids. It becomes a temporary home while traveling anywhere, with hundreds of coaches, wheels and rolling stocks. At Konkan Railway, after each journey, trains are sent to the coach care center, where they are soap and jet cleaned from outside at the automatic coach washing plant. A system developed by Konkan Railway, saving approximately 10 million litres of water annually. And as the train enters the pit line, they are cleaned from the inside, ensuring proper hygiene standards and disposal of wastes. Simultaneously, team of engineers and workmen work on the undergear, where every part is checked and are repaired or replaced whenever needed. Unhealthy coaches are taken to the shed for maintenance or repair needed for the parts, both inside and outside of the coach. At the coach overhauling depot, heavy machineries are being used for preventive or periodic overhauling of various equipments. With a final finishing touch and various planned actions, coaches are made ready to become a neat and tidy house on wheels for next passengers. Konkan Railway, we serve.